Okay, hey, we're live. How's everybody? Um, just give me a second. Okay, I was just closing a door there so I can talk. I just wanted to make a video here and state that I won't be making videos much anymore, um, and explain the reasons why. For all of you who actually watch this stuff and have any interest in what is going on in my life. Uh, I just wanted to say thank you for checking in, and I appreciate your interest in what I do. And I just wanted to explain that I won't much be using this anymore because so for you guys who actually watch and come into my channel and stuff. Uh, I wanted to explain that and not sort of just leave you hanging. Um, I have come to the conclusion from my use of this web channel that there isn't much of a reason for me to actually continue using it because there isn't, as far as I can tell, any sort of real freedom of speech on this platform. Um, I think that there's a lot of room left for uh, development of respect in the area of free expression, freedom of thought, uh, freedom of belief, opinion, etc., etc., in this platform. So, and I'm sure that I believe anyway that some of this is done to deliberately suppress you and me, and to further uh, control people, whether it's just it's sort of Pavlovian, really. It's like you can say things, but you can't say this, or there will be consequences, right? So it trains people to only talk about certain things and only then start to think certain things because that's what they're allowed to talk about. So it restricts not only free expression, but then freedom of thought, freedom of conscience, freedom of belief. Um, and I just think it's a very, I don't know, malignant thing to be spending a lot of time on. So I wanted to let you guys know that, as you're probably aware, I kind of stumbled into making this channel in the first place. It wasn't really a plan, it just sort of happened when I had free time and I wanted to be able to communicate with people when my personal profile was significantly higher because of some major media coverage. Well, so I thought I could expound upon that by creating this channel and get into actual interesting, productive conversations with people. Well, I don't think that has happened. And I think that this channel and this platform is a form of social engineering that I don't really wish to be the recipient of. I've already made up my mind on a lot of things, and um, there's no way that I'm going to change these ideas. And I would say, I would encourage you to have the same approach to life. You may be fully convinced of certain things, and you are, uh, for whatever reason, unwilling to or unable to express those things. Well, we, I think, should sort of go against that, really, and not participate in platforms that suppress our thinking and our speech. So, um, again, I think that's being done deliberately with this channel, this platform. So, until it gets to such a point where that isn't happening anymore, I won't really be using this very much because it's sort of pointless. It's just me then lending my voice and face to other people's and supporting other people's ideas, which I don't necessarily. So I hope you guys understand all this. And I think if you really want to hear what I have to say about something, you probably know how to contact me directly. You can send me an email. You can message me via my primary website or websites. Um, you can't really talk or instant message me on social media because that's basically the same thing. You are your speech is restricted and you are basically thought controlled by it, and I don't really want to be part of that either. So we can't speak freely. So yeah, you guys know how to get a hold of me if you want to speak freely. Send me an email and I will happily respond. And maybe, just maybe, we can actually meet each other in person. And that would be the best way to speak freely. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your interest. This is Michael Macintosh. Have a lovely day.